Hey guys, you like use live on Facebook's DM CoinMarketCap news. It says Facebook's DM digital currency is dead. Report says so. We're reviewing this article on CoinMarketCap. So you want to click on the subscribe button beneath this video so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial news updates and also airdrops and more, guys. So, table of contents, a big pushback. So, Diem, the digital currency that Facebook wanted to launch, is dead, according to reports. So, Bloomberg News claims that the Diem Association is considering whether to begin selling its intellectual property rights, and engineers who worked for the project may be moved to other companies. So, the news outlet sources suggest this amounts to cashing out whatever value remains in the embattled project, which has faced a staunch pushback from regulators since the beginning. So Mark Zuckerberg first unveiled the proposals back in 2019 and envisaged launching a stablecoin called Libra. So an independent association was also established that counted the likes of PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Vodafone as members. But all of these big brands ended up withdrawing. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast. You want to check it out? It's really very informative. So politicians and central banks wasted little time in declaring that Libra had the potential to undermine the US dollar and trigger financial stability, with some even claiming that this digital asset could do more harm to America than 9/11. Others argued that the tech giant was unfit to operate private currency following a string of controversies. So perhaps surprised by the extent of the pushback, Zuckerberg went back to the drawing board, rebranding Libra as Diem and watering down the proposals. But there has been little in the way of progress over recent months, and some telling developments that indicate Diem has fallen by the wayside. So Novi, the digital wallet that is backed by Meta, has begun trials in parts of the US and Guatemala. An integration into WhatsApp is also being pivoted, but crucially, these tests have been relying on the pastor's dollar in order to complete transactions rather than Diem itself. So another worrying sign came when David Marcus, an executive who had played an instrumental role in leaving Novi, announced that he was leaving Meta. So, guys, that's all we have on today's news review. If you buy keys, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, and I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to these and more, guys. One love.